Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a very quick lookbook of some outfits that I had while I was away. This first dress is from the fashion truck and I paired it with a very cute pair of strappy sandals. This next dress is from Aritzia. As you can tell, dresses are a theme here. I love to travel with them as they're so easy and it's a quick outfit to put together. Never go away on a trip without a cute pair of jeans. I've paired this really nice off-the-shoulder flowy top and these pair of orchid jeans, both from the fashion truck, and a cute pair of Converse. Next is another off-the-shoulder top that's perfect for going out or even pairing with a skirt. I've worn it with jeans and another pair of black strappy sandals. Again, the jeans and the top are from the fashion truck and my sandals are from Steve Madden. You can never go wrong with a cute crop top and a long skirt. Both items are easy to pair with other tops or other bottoms. Top is from Urban Outfitters and the skirt is from Winners. And finally, we have my New Year's Eve outfit. I paired this crushed velvet skirt from the fashion truck with a simple white tee and a statement necklace. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!